How to create new folders in SmarterMail. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into your SmarterMail account. Select the Actions menu drop-down and then click on New Folder. Select and enter a folder name. Click the Save button. Select and right-click the Building Project folder. Select New Folder. By default, Building Project will be the selected parent folder. Enter your new folder name. This will be a subfolder of the Building Project folder. Click on the Save button. Our Building Project folder now displays a plus sign designating a subfolder. Click the plus sign to expand the view and display our subfolder. You now know how to create new folders in SmarterMail.